This is seriously the best sambar that I've had in Goa. So, my lovely companion. Hey, Kuttu. Busy, busy. Let's eat. That looks really good. So, what are you having?
Basically, masala dosa.
Masala dosa.
They'll be having.
So masala dosa is a South Indian breakfast, isn't it?
The masala dosa comes with the potatoes and chilies and the masala like thing in the middle of the dosa. Along with this one chutney and sambar.
This chutney is
Coconut chutney.
coconut chutney. Yeah. So this is where we are today, and we're having a nice brekkie in Bending Bamboos. Lovely place, and as you can see, it's actually quite quiet because people are staying indoors, and tourism is not as active as it would have been normally. I see some places is closed as well. But we're thankful today as it is a special day for us. It's my birthday. So we're coming out just to have some breakfast, and this really is the place. Bending Bamboos is definitely one of the better places to have dosa if you want South Indian breakfast, right?
Yeah, it's the best.
Perfect. Right, so I'm going to stop the video right here now and enjoy my delicious food. So I haven't learned the trick yet how to break the dosa with one hand. But seriously, normally for me, what I like the most is the sambar. Normally it's the chutney that I go for wherever I go. I prefer the chutney more than sambar. But in this place, with this breakfast, I prefer the sambar more. What is your favorite?
Mine is chutney because sambar will be coming a little bit spicy. So how do you like the sambar? It's good?
It's absolutely delicious. So with the sambar you have your veggies in it as well. And obviously it's been cooked for hours. So the veggies and everything is cooked really softly. You've got all the flavors that have been absorbed in the tomatoes, and when you cook it for a long time, it sort of releases a natural sweetness as well to it, and you can actually taste that in the food, and it's absolutely good.